Hello, I'm Angus here at the Bureau of Meteorology. Today is Wednesday the 30th of August and this is a severe weather video as thunderstorms, and severe ones at that, are developing for eastern parts of the country, mostly southeastern Queensland and northeastern New South Wales. The first thing I want to show you is the radar imagery just since midday on Wednesday, and we're filming this shortly after 3 p.m. So over the last few hours, check out how these thunderstorms have really blossomed up from a relatively dry and clear morning. Now we see all of these showers. Some of the heavier ones are thundery, they're bringing hail, they're bringing strong wind throughout much of southeastern Queensland up here and the northeast of New South Wales as well. In particular, there's a couple of storms around this region here which we're watching closely for hail and wind, and that is where our current severe thunderstorm warning is located, right in the northeastern corner of New South Wales near that Northern Rivers area. However, when thunderstorms are involved, things do move very, very quickly. So even if you are watching this video, within the next hour or two, it would well pay to double check the latest editions of these severe thunderstorm warnings, because chances are through this afternoon we could well add further warning areas and modify existing warning areas as we track the movement and intensity of these developing storms. How long is this going to last? The final thing I'll show you is this. It's called CAPE. It's a measure of instability, which is a measure of how likely thunderstorms are to continue. And we see these elevated CAPE values, that's the yellows and the reds, through the rest of Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, and even if you're along the coast into Thursday. So the next day or so we could still see further thunderstorms for those of you on the eastern seaboard of Australia. If you would like to catch the latest in terms of that severe weather information, the best place to go is bom.gov.au, and of course you can get all that info through our app, and we will keep updating our social media channels as well. That is it from me. Catch you next time.